creatives! Today we're designing a tasty donuts landing page in Figma. We will create a fun 3D style donut animation with smooth transitions to make the design stand out. So let's get started. I already have all the assets, such as images, colors, and other content. First, we will take a 1400 by 8110 pixel desktop frame. Apply a pink color to it, and then use the pen tool to create a zigzag line, forming a curved shape for the background. Apply a light pink color to it. Place the background image in the center of the desktop frame. Set the left and right buttons at the bottom like this. Right-click all the intro frames, place them inside a frame, adjust it like this, and enable clip content. Now place this frame inside the desktop like this, and also set the logo inside the desktop frame. Select all the donuts, set them to the center, resize them to 450 pixels, and place them in the center of the frame. Keep the pink donut in the center, and move the rest inside the right side of the frame. Select all the background images, move them to the center, and place them inside the frame. Keep the strawberry image in the frame, and move the rest to the upper side of the frame. Select the all name, center it, and place it at the bottom of the frame. Keep the strawberry name as it is, and move the rest to the bottom of the frame. Duplicate the frame. Rotate the donuts 180 degrees and move them to the left side. Select the green donut, rotate it to the left and bring it to the center. Move the strawberry image to the bottom of the frame, then select the pistachio image and set it inside the frame. Select the strawberry name and move it down and bring the pistachio name into the frame. Inside the intro frame, press Ctrl+A to select everything and move it upward. Change the background color according to the donuts. Duplicate the frame again and repeat this process. Now it's time to prototype. Select the right button and apply the prototype with trigger. On click, Animation Smart. Animate, curve, linear, and duration 800 millis. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.